Hello, we are back with another one, and Yuan is gonna be joining me really soon. And today we're gonna be playing Studlands. Trust me. Normal mode. Okay. This feels like a Terraria game. No, naturally. One, yeah. I'm the man face guy.
Rare photos you've never seen. In 2010, a young Chinese asylum seeker disguised as an
Okay, I'm gonna go to the tutorial. Hello, welcome to Studlands. This tutorial will guide you through the first quest line and tell you about certain features this game offers.
exhibition featuring ice blocks. Life is short. Enjoy it before it
Okay,
melts.
settings. What?
New York City projects. 18,000
Dash,
people
block,
this ring.
or
Ice Cube mask that was designed to cure hangovers. 1947. A group of frontiersmen advertising for wives. United States, Montana. 1901.
Bro does not know. Why did you skip the tutorial? Honestly.
Built by the Rapanui people between 12
Okay,
and
Q.
15.
Q for dash.
On their back.
That's why there's a tutorial. Yo, there's a sword in my inventory.
Discovered in Papua New Guinea. This bag
Go in the inventory.
you can buy at a supermarket in Tokyo. Anisa Korok means your pupils are different sizes.
I'm gonna use my Minecraft loadout.
May be a warning sign of a stroke, TBI, or other serious medical condition. Half of Charles Babbage's brain is displayed at the Science Museum, London. The
Hotbar.
other half is at the Ontario
Tap.
Museum, also London.
Okay, practice.
2013, a California woman waited outside a jail to slap someone.
I'm actually gonna kill you, bro.
Leaving jail was the only way
Block?
she could
What
quit
is
smoking.
block? OF.
Tobacco isn't allowed. She was sentenced to 63 days.
Cooldowns.
Rare photos you've never seen.
Found many NPCs. Oh, like this guy, Yapper QB. After this QB. Hey, you mind helping out, traveler? Go on. There's these wedge guys walking around cube planes, and they're a little aggressive. Yeah, okay. You're welcome. Where are the wedgies? Oh my gosh, how does this guy have that much stuff? I'm gonna kill you, bro. Trap. View. Leave and rejoin. Wait. Enable the tutorial again. Why would you skip? Leave and rejoin. Bro, accept the quest. Like, find the cube guy with like a red question mark. Find like a cube guy with a red exclamation mark on top of his head and like spawn. You need to accept the quest. Wedgie. Woohoo! Wait, this game's awfully fun. Wedgie. Whoa, there's another one up here. Hi, bro. That was me. You saw me? I'm the guy with the blue pants. Whoa, who's Blueberry? Whoa! Whoa! Oh! How do I block? Oh, I forgot. It's F. I'm used to right click. Go back to spawn. Find the guy with the red exclamation mark above his head. Can bro just... If you would actually follow the tutorial, it would be better content. Anyways, I'm gonna continue completing the quest. Block! Woohoo! I completed the quest. Equipment. Oh, the damage boost. Oh, 1.5. Mystical fruits. That's not a wedge, bro. That's me. Oh, let's talk to this QB. I already completed the quest. I'm gonna talk to this guy now. Ow! What is this guy? Field Mousy. Bro, go back to spawn, find the guy with the red exclamation mark. Complete the quest. Go in like on the left side of your screen, click the quest log, and then like click track. It's on the left side. It's below the armor. Yeah, track. Click track. Whoa! Duh. No, it isn't. I need more health, bro. Oh, over here, there's another one. Uh, Yo, who is this guy? Why is he a cylinder? Ah! Ah! Why me? What did I ever do to you? No.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You see the cylinder guy? Bro, I'm actually gonna die. No! That's the cylinder guy, bro. He does like a quarter and a half of your health. One more. One more. Why is there a bee? What? Just run away, bro. The town further ahead. Yo, I'm gonna enter the town, bro. You're way far behind. That's why you should have. That's why you should have done the tutorial. Cube Town. Pawn shop. What quest? Go over to me. You can sell. Okay. Crystal stud. Fries. Copper stud. Bread. I have bread. Okay, I'm gonna go to the forge. I have 293 coins. Go for a weapon? Yes. How much damage? 6. How much? 40 coins and oak log, swine, brass, iron ingot. Steel dagger. I'm going for the great sword, bro. Wait, there's guns? Whoa. 1 oak log, so 1 gunpowder, 1 iron ingot. Damage boost, 12. So, this is pretty easy, bro. I'm gonna buy the shotgun. Wait. I'm gonna screenshot this so I don't forget. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yes. Bro, I gotta mine some trees. Where do I mine trees? Bro, I was gonna buy the shotgun. Hey, can you help me? What is it? Some QBs turned evil. What is it? Okay. Rebelling. I'll help you. Thank you. Okay, over here. After I finish this quest, I'm gonna end the video. It's so dark, bro. I can't see nothing. Where am I supposed to go? Which way am I supposed to exit the town? I can't see nothing, bro. It's nighttime. Is this where I'm supposed to go? No, it isn't. Then where am I supposed to go? Over here. Maybe. Where am I supposed to go, bro? Please let it be morning. Yes. What? So I have to go all the way over there to the other side where there's no entrance in sight? How am I supposed to get over there, game? Please, tell me. Okay, I'm going through some parkour. Please, please. Oh, there's no more place to go. There's nowhere else left to go. Stand back over. QB, angry QB. What does this guy even do, bro? Oh, he's strong. QB strong. Oh, I got a gold stud. Yes. 4 QBs? Not that difficult? What do you think I am, bro? Wait, I'm trying to find a tree that I can mine.
From this to this. I get tired of damaging my hair with a curling iron every single day. So I finally decided it's time to get it curled. They have full already just in since like a makeup, and they also have a family.
I figured out the strat. Yes! I figured out the strat, bro. I am so low.
And they also asked if I wanted to get a trim. So we started with a scalp treatment because I have dandruff and
Oh, over here, I guess. I feel kind of bad for these QBs, bro. I mean, I get they're angry, but why do they have to be killed? Well, at least I get it for the money. I don't really care.
Like what? Premium of the premium and getting my hair done and the massage and free drinks. They also explained every step of the process, what they were doing and why. And that really made me feel safe and cared for. There were literally people working on my hair.
I only got silver and copper stuff. One more. Yes. One more. Whoa. I gotta lock in, bro. No. I'm super low. No. Boss fight, fight the rebels completed. Wait, what? The rebels? I don't know, man. Yeah. Okay. I'm going over here. What is this place? Why is there a random applicants here? Oh, minor QB. It's probably gonna be the next quest. Well, that's gonna be for next video. Please, yes. Parkour. Suspicious QB. Feel like I wanna. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Whoa. QB. I don't really feel like talking to QB right now or getting another quest. Why are all the people here named QB? I get their cubes, but deposit 293 deposit. Where do I sell stuff again? Stop the war. Make peace with the Flavians. Wait, what? Where is the selling thing? Where do I sell? Is it over here? No, not really, loser. Angry. Where is the sell shop? It's the blacksmith. Wait, you do have a terrible hairline. Where is the selling place? Where do I sell my stuff, bro? Okay. I don't wanna walk. Okay. Sell. Finally, bro. I found it. Finally, bro. Now, where is the blacksmith? Because don't tell me I have to go on the other side of the map. Okay, this guy's over here. Wait, I'm at the back. Okay. Okay. 171. Deposit. Yo, I'm stacked. Okay, continue. To unlock flame warp future. Okay. Wait. Oh, so this was where I went earlier. I thought it was just a random location. I was over there at the bottom. It was really dark. I was just over here. What? Oh, these are the Mayans, I think. I'm not gonna go over there yet. So this is his house, right next to a flame. Nice, bro. Aren't I technically supposed to be burning? Well, that's gonna be all. Bye.